Hi guys, in this part we will discuss about the use of if-else in C++. So in the previous part we already see the usage of if loop in C++. So in that case, in the case of if loop, if the condition is found to be true, then the corresponding statement associated with that if loop body will execute. So whenever we using an else with the if loop, if the condition is found to be false, the statement or block of statements associated with the else block will execute. So here is the syntax of using if else block. So here is if and um, here is the else block. Okay, make sure that an else block is coming soon after an end of the if loop body. Okay, now here I'm going to provide that condition if the value of the first number is greater than second number, then print out cout cout a is the large number. Okay, so if the statement, that means the value of a is greater than b, in that case only the if body will execute. At the same time the else block will avoided from execution. If the first statement, that means if the condition, the boolean condition is found to be false, that means if the value of b is greater than a, then the body of the if loop will avoided from execution, and in that case the else block will execute. So cout b is the large number. Okay, so the working of an if loop in such a way that if the condition is found to be true, then the if block will execute, and if the condition is found to be a false one, then the else block corresponding to that if loop will execute. So now I save it. Now I am going to run it. Now here I am going to enter the first number as 7 and enter the second number as 9. Now you can see that 9 is the large number. That means the else block now execute. That means the if loop, the condition corresponding to the if loop is false. So the value of a is 7, 7 greater than 9, which is a false one. So this statement, that means this statement will avoided from execution, and this statement will execute. Guys, this is how the working of an if else loop in C++. Thank you for watching. See you in the next part of this tutorial.